Hi guys, it's Dan from K-Tec Racing, and I'm just going over some of our in-house fabrication today, just to give you a bit of an insight into what we actually do behind the scenes at K-Tec Racing in terms of production. So many of you may or may not know that pretty much all of our exhaust systems that you find on our website are custom made in the UK. For example, this is a part of a kit that Matt, our fabricator, absolutely super fabricator, is finishing up today. It's really important to note that everything is made in England. We don't use anything from China because it's poor material. It's the quality is just not as good as we expect from the UK material and also UK fabricator. So it takes a little bit more time to make things properly, but we want to make sure that what you're getting on your car is the top quality that we can offer you. And as you can see from this welding, it's most of it's back purged, especially the downpipes and manifolds. TIG welded, so the welds are so clean inside and out. Material we use is stainless T304. It's 2mm wall thickness, and everything is mandrel bent, so there's no crimps in the angles at all. So the flow is the same all the way through the bend. That's really, really important for power. There are systems out there that have used a traditional bending machine, which actually crushes the bends, and that's actually no good for power and can reduce performance. Silencers are all UK made as well, and they obviously have sports wadding inside. And yeah, they all look fantastic. The stainless steel is a nice brushed rather than these cheap Chinese sort of really shiny chrome looking exhaust that you find on the internet as well. But we just wanted to show you a bit of a process behind the scenes of what we actually do at K-Tec Racing. Some of you may not know that we actually made a lot of these in-house. So just wanted to sort of show you the process, show you what we actually make in-house and what you can actually get on your car. So if you want to shop for exhausts, go onto the website below, have a look and find your perfect exhaust that's made here in the UK by fabulous Matt, and you can have it sat on your car.